Of course, we had to start with pizza. Here at Sirico's Pizza, a slice of cheese pizza starts at $7.50, $7.95 for pepperoni, sausage, or vegetarian.
Hi, can we have 2 slices of pepperoni?
I gotta say, this pizza is looking good. They got a whole pizza there. They just give you the slices however many you want. And there's a fresh pepperoni that just came out of the oven. I think we gotta get one of these.
That's all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, they do have more than pizza here. They've got pasta. They've got lasagna with meat sauce, spaghetti with meatballs. They've got a meatball hero. They got Caesar salad, chef salad, and fresh cut fruit. This is our slice of pizza. Pepperoni, cheese. Comes in its own little triangular box. That crust looks good. Now, this is food court pizza, keep in mind, but that looks really good.
It's good.
Yeah, this pizza is surprisingly good. New York style pizza here at New York Casino in Las Vegas. But there is more to eat. At Greenberg's Deli, they've got classic sandwiches like a Reuben, a turkey club, New York Sky High. I'm getting a corned beef and brisket Reuben. It's essentially the Reuben is pastrami or corned beef, but I can get both for $1 extra. It's called a 2 hot meats.
Thank you.
$16.95 for the 2 hot meats plus $1 for Swiss cheese, and this looks incredible.
And there's sauerkraut and cheese.
Oh.
I mean, just take a look at this sandwich. This sandwich is full of meat. It's 2 meats.
I'm gonna go in. It's so good. It's so good. So good.
Now, not to spoil the rest of the video, but this was the best thing we ate all day here at New York. This sandwich was incredible. We only ate one more thing, so let's go get that hot dog.
I'm genuinely impressed.
I know.
I was very impressed by this.
Perfect. Thank you.
This is the bacon onion cheese dog at Times Square to go. It's $7.95. Now, this is not the prettiest looking thing we've eaten today. It's a New York hot dog. It's got crispy bacon. It's got raw onions. And it's got shredded cheddar cheese. Now, the coolest thing about New York is that it actually feels like you're walking down the streets of New York City. I mean, look at this. They got the trees and there's a parking meter. And it's even all scuffed up like you're really in New York. There's plenty of other places to eat here. There's a bakery with bagels, Broadway Burger Bar, Fulton Fish Fry with fish and chips, New England clam chowder. But there is one more thing we wanted to do. We wanted to get some Starbucks and play some slots and hit a jackpot. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe for more.